Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile bio on Instagram. So in order to change your bio on Instagram, all you need to do is open the Instagram app like this. Once you've done that, go to the bottom right, and then once you're right here, click on Edit Profile. Now what you can do is click on bio, not on link, sorry, on bio. And what you simply can do is type in whatever you want. So this is my bio currently, but let's say that I want to add a dot after my entire text basically. I then click on done. And basically what you will notice now is when I go to my bio again, you will now see that that dot has been added. What you can also do is add in pronouns, and you can also add a link to your bio if you want to. And you can also add some profile informations, such as an action button, a profile display, and contact option, and category, and a page. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.